Welcome back, Blake Cousins here, going over photos that just came in via Skype, April 5th, 2015. Just wanted to share them right now, enjoying the discussion. What are these all about? Captured by Soho, NASA. I've not seen these photos yet on the internet, so we're going to share them right now, third phase of moon. What are they? Is this a NASA cover-up, that photos that have been suppressed, or have they been out public? If anybody out there has seen these photos before, send us the links. We'd like to see them, analyze them. We're sorry for the poor quality on them. The pixelation is quite low, but obviously we're looking at something next to the sun. What is it? We're not exactly sure. We're going to open up the discussion with Brent right here. Brent Cousins is joining us. He has some opinions. We're going to go by frame and give our analysis of what's going on from these images from NASA, Soho. Brent, right here, what's your take on these? I want to give a shout out to Palajax1 right out of Belgium. You know, he's just another third phase of moon watcher fan, and he wanted to reach out with us, and he reached us through Skype. And we got this array of a series of great photos, and Blake mentions a quality, but we do see something apparent, something suspicious, something that I find very amazing, because we have these Soho images and they are controversial, but I'm really interested in them, because when we get a closer look, we see this bright light, we see a laser shooting out from it. From every shot we're going to see these series, this laser point pops out from this ship probably the size of Earth. What's going on here, guys? You know, I'm just interested. It could be a digital glitch. I don't think so. It's possible. But I really like what I'm seeing here. Thanks from Palajax right out of Belgium, Blake. What do you think of this image? I just pulled it up right here. We're trying to do this live, get this information out as fast as possible. Editing takes a while, but we're going to get it out, share it to the world. I'm looking at this image, Brandon. It doesn't seem like it's a glitch, like you said. There are two objects, one much bigger than the other, but what's being projected out of it? Now that's a big question. That's not an anomaly. This is something that's like potentially, in my opinion, a purpose behind it. You can see in this image, it almost looks like a jack. And what is that a booster at a 90-degree, and then this laser, or whatever it is, a plasma ray? Maybe people around the world, like they say, we've heard it many times. We've put out specials right here at Third Phase of Moon in regards to Soho imagery and incredible images. This is just the newest stuff coming in. But people around the world say that the Star Galactic Federation, alien technology, beings from other planets, galaxies, universes, can harness energy from suns. Okay, now I just pulled up this image right here. Brent, again, more. Now take a look at this. Take a look at this, people. It looks like a starcraft captured in a frame at the speed of light. And what it looks like is some kind of like laser. Again, plasma ray caught midway before it's contacting the sun. Brent, your thoughts? Exactly right, Blake. What I taken interest with that last photo and this one's not giving me the clarity that I did like, but I'll still explain my theory. Is that booster, what we're seeing, that laser beam or whatever's coming out of there, possibly harnessing the energy from the sun. What I like about it is the reflection of the booster light. It's actually illuminating this craft. There we go. We're looking at it. Notice the laser beam. Notice the energy coming from this craft and how it's illuminating its shape. What's going on here? There's something that's mechanical. You could notice four sides of it. If I would almost love to draw a picture of this, and I might do this for the next episode. And I'd like for everybody out there at Third Phase Moon to go out there to Soho and let's grab the sharper images of what's going on here, because I think there's a lot more detail and a lot more perception that we could build out of this. We could add some more contrast to it, but there's something going on here, and NASA's not telling us, guys. Let's pull up this next image. It's a little pulled back, so we're giving perspective to how large this object is. Again, a midway stream of light beaming down towards the sun. What is this object? You would imagine anything close to the sun like this would be pulverized. It doesn't make sense. Quantum physicists will say that it's impossible to be this close to the sun. What is this? Is this some kind of, again, as Brent was saying, a trick of an image? I'm saying I don't think so. People out there are sharing images like this constantly on YouTube, the internet, and I think that people around the world are smarter than people think. Let's pull up this next image, and again, we're going to get a little closer look of what this is all about. Okay, there we go. It's a little closer. Again, you see this massive ejection of radiation from the sun. Millions of degrees. Nothing could withstand being this close to the sun without being annihilated by the heat, pulverized out of existence. Also, other people that say we don't know what we're talking about. Quantum physicists, science around the world, they don't know what they don't know. Simply as that. Something came to thought here. I'm looking at these photos and it's strange. Look at this anomaly that we're looking at here with the laser beam again. But look at the pixelization around this craft. Could this be a bending of light of some sort of warp force field that could protect this craft from the sun? I think the power of alien technology and the things that we don't know, this universe is powerful more than we could imagine. There's so much energy, and if it could be captured in a craft this size, almost the size of the Earth, it should be able to create a machine that should create a warp force field. Because if this is not a ship from another world, then it must be a NASA glitch. But I'm not thinking so. That's right, Brent. We invite the people from around the world, the quantum physicists, scientists. Explain this away. Leave it in the comments below. If you have an idea on the way to debunk this, then let's hear it. And if you have an idea that you think that this is possible, I'd rather hear that. We need to change our way of thought here right on planet Earth on how we harness energy. It's right there. We see it every day. It's called light, in my opinion. And I think light can be harnessed. It's free. It's free for everybody, people. Third Phase Moon, we're going to be showing these pictures. We're going to spread this. Everybody spread this around. Thanks for joining us right here at Third Phase Moon, Brent. Appreciate it. No problem. Keep watching, guys. Let's get this figured out. Thanks, Blake. All right, everybody, keep your eyes on the skies. Keep your eyes close on NASA. These images come out every single day. If you see something strange, unusual, submit it to Third Phase of Moon via Skype, Facebook. We're here, standing by. Blake Cousins. We'll see everybody again next time.